Hello everyone. I'm going to create another video here to show you a little more on seasonality. So one of the first things we're going to want to do is take the average of all of our seasons, and we can use F4 to lock that, make that an absolute reference, drag that down. Then we're going to take the average of each season, drag that down, and then we're going to divide the individual seasons by the average season, and we're going to double check. So our average is 68, and remember, we can always double check math. We can highlight this, go down here, and we say our average is 68. So that is correct. Then our average for this line for Monday is 77.6. That is higher than average, so this should be higher than 1. If it's lower than 1, for instance, in this one, 39, it's lower than 1. And again, we can always check sum here, and the sum of those should always be 7, because we have 7 seasons. Then we need to calculate the future forecast here. So we can calculate our annual demand a number of ways. First, we need to take the sum, and don't catch the year, just the individual ones, and drag it all the way over. All right. So now we have the total sales during this week, during these years. All right. So then let's say that we're going to use 7 to 1 weighted moving average. We apply our weights. So now we have 0.1 times 473, 0.2 times 460, 0.7 times 533. And we can go ahead and sum these. We've got to, again, take a look, see what's our naive. Our naive would have been 533. 512 is fairly close to 533, so we'll say we're within an order of magnitude on that. And then, again, equals this and F4, and we divide that by 7 because in this problem we have 7 periods. That is correct. And then, so my forecast for Monday of 2015 is going to be 82, of Saturday is 97. We could do a 532, and that would be the same. We would just change these weights, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. Or another way we could do that is simply a moving average. So in that instance, this cell would just be equals the average of, maybe it's only 3 periods, or maybe it's all 5 periods, depending on the problem you get. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you out. Let me know if you have more questions.